Hi, I'm Dan Borders with Edge Technologies. I'm the product manager of the Vortex Oil Air Filtration line. And today we're going to show you a little bit about how the Vortex system works. The Vortex has a three-stage filtration process. The first stage has a scaled pattern on the face where the mist contacts and coalesces into larger droplets of oil. The oil then funnels down to the bottom of the tank where the hose collects the oil and leads it back to a coolant-holding receptacle. What is not coalesced by the scaled pattern is collected by the second half of the first stage filter. This captures any particle greater than 2 microns. The benefit of this filter is it is a washable element. You will not be buying and replacing this filter often. You'll be simply taking it out of your machine and washing it. The first stage filter will come with a synthetic mesh overlay. This is to prevent any large splashes of coolant going directly into your filtration system. The second stage of the filtration is the impeller that drives the unit. The Vortex uses an impaction type separation. It differs from typical centrifugal type separations. The rotating is not actually creating any separation of the mist. This is all handled in our patented first stage filter. The impeller does not create any higher than 75 decibel of noise. This is not going to be noticed over the ambient noise in your shop. Anything smaller than 2 microns is filtered by our E12 HEPA filter. At 0.3 microns, it is 99.9% effective and is now releasing purified air back into your shop. The Vortex is monitored by a differential pressure gauge. During normal operation, the needle will be in the green section of the gauge. If the first stage filter is clogged, the needle will move all the way to the left in the yellow section. This indicates the filter needs to be cleaned. Over normal use, the needle will travel along the green section of the gauge until it reaches the red section on the right side. This indicates your HEPA filter needs to be changed. With normal use on water-soluble coolants, the HEPA filter should last at least 1 year. The Vortex has a very small footprint. This makes it very easy to mount directly onto CNC machines. Edge Technologies also offers a stand that can be mounted near the machine and custom mounting applications per customer request. The Vortex comes with a magnetic starter, easy to hook up and control the operation of the machine. So for all your mist filtration needs, contact me, Dan Borders, at 314-810-3861 or dborders@edgetechnologies.com.